special part of my life, and I know my heart could never be free of the good times spent together with you, making future plans that we hope someday will come true. You're a very special part of my life. And that's the way I want it to be, 'cause without I'm a person alone, thinking about you and wishing you would hurry on home. Oh love, there was a time when I was weak and lonely. Cause you're a very special part of my life. And that's the way I want it to be, 'cause without I'm a person alone, thinking about you and wishing you would hurry on home. Oh love, there was a time when I was weak and lonely. Then you came into my life and you taught me to be strong. Baby, you are the star that makes my heart free. I can still feel the warmth of your love. You're a very special part of my life, and you're going to mean so much to me, 'cause you never fail to be there when I need somebody to give me some.
We were so sad when you left us. Things were so right, and our future seemed right, and you were gone. Mama, you were gone. You were amazing. You were so beautiful. Tell me, why did it end this way? But before you went on, with your last breath you said we must go on. Yes, we must go on till Jesus comes. Oh, we'll see you again. Yes, we'll see you, love. when my Jesus comes.
Jesus comes.
It's gonna be better.
Gonna be better.
Ooh.
We'll be together.
I'm looking forward to
forever and ever.
Oh, when He comes.
When Jesus comes.
In the place after.
In the place after.
Place called heaven.
There's love and laughter.
Love and laughter all the time. When my Jesus comes.
When Jesus comes.
In a twinkling of an eye.
When He comes.
I know sin won't be long.
When He comes.
Oh, when He comes.
When He comes.
We'll all be together.
Gonna be better.
We'll
be together.
Oh, yes, we will.
Forever and ever.
Oh, when He comes.
When Jesus comes. Always remember Jesus. Always keep Him on.
Lelo fai moe tu mawila ufa moe moe tau singa ole alofa ia so uma tina uasili lava oe tina uasili lava oe demoni let us sing a male maoni elengalo seio ileoti elengalo seio ileo I give thanks to God above. I give thanks for sending me an angel to watch over me. It's gotta take a special kind of love. Yeah, my love, I give so gratefully. I will always cherish every moment. Every time you cry, it keeps me from falling. You will always be my angel sent from heaven. You will always be my angel sent from heaven. Tina uasili lava oe demoni pe let us sing a male maoni elengalo seio ileoti elengalo seio ileo
Yes, you will, oh, someday. Well, let me fight on the whole fire, in a low, fire. silly essay. Tiny old Chifangaloina, Famanuyanga, wa Esaunia, Pafetai, Low Alofa, we in a fine town, we love, now, yes, oh, Chisai, oh, Sunday, Fanamawalalo, Sisi, Olima, yes, we're fine time, Alofa, in there, Fire, now, oh, boy, yes, we're fine time. Oh. Lelo fa ua e whania I lunga o le sātau ina ia whamana lauina O auanga sala O ai au se te ngata whatau whaa Pua e mana tu mai ai alofa tu noa Wa e foa I mai E ui ina mai na time
Ups and downs, but fate's been kind. The downs have been few. I guess you could say that I've been lucky. I guess you could say that it's so you. If anyone should ever write my life story, for whatever reason there might be, ooh, you'll be there between each line of pain and glory, 'cause you're the best thing that ever happened to me. You're the best thing that ever happened to me. There have been times when times were hard, but always somehow I made it through. 'Cause for every moment that I've spent hurting, there was a moment that I've spent just loving you. If anyone should ever write my life story, for whatever reason there might be, you'll be there between each line of pain and glory, 'cause you're the best thing that ever happened to me.
Precious moment, when will I see you again? When will we share precious moments? Will I have to wait forever? Will I have to suffer and cry the whole night through? When will I see you
okay, now don't worry, God is good. I love you all. Thank you.